to another video. Today, I'm going to be playing Speed Legends. Today, Speed Legends is going to be making me faster. I'm going to be becoming faster. And also, if you love these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And for the daily algorithm, so this gets pushed out to more people. Because if this gets pushed out to more people, more views. More views equals more subscribers. So please, I made a bet with a YouTuber named Happy Day that I would get more subscribers than him. And I would also be first to reach 1 million. Which from now is going to be a long time because our subscriber pace is pretty slow. Okay. Ah! Really? Really? Me over here. All the mother. Hey, I leveled up, guys. Okay, let's go. My dog's pretty sad. Because y'all not subscribing. Why? You really gonna make my doggy cry? Come here. Come here. Come here. Trying to make him calm. He's pretty sad. Please subscribe to make him cheer up. Okay, but on with the video. Also, make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. I was about to say knife button. And yeah. Okay. We gotta get fast. And this video might be on the late upload date, so yeah. This might not be uploaded in the time you were thinking, but yeah. Don't worry, this will be uploaded. You're gonna keep crying if y'all don't subscribe. Please subscribe. I need him to stop. I don't love when dogs cry. Y'all thought I love dogs when they cried. Y'all messed up now. I don't like when dogs cry. I love when they're happy and excited. Don't make my dog cry. Please subscribe. No, like actually, my dog is actually crying. I'm not even kidding. Don't worry, you're gonna be okay. It's one last race, I'm gonna end the video. Don't worry. Also, the hacker I was talking about gave me back my old account, so I might be using my old account back. Oh my god, it's if I beat this. Come on. Okay, yeah. But I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this one. Bye, guys. Hold up. Bye, guys.